This is our patio door flush bolt, which adds security to our lock handle. We have a screw that will actually screw through the interlock and into the steel reinforcement in our meeting rail. And then the flush bolt is a lever type action, which will engage into a piece, a keeper that's located in the header. And there's actually two locations. One for an added security when the door is locked, and a venting location when you can gain about 3 to 3.5 inches of opening and lock that in.